Hi, my friends. How is everyone today? Awesome. So far we've been talking about framing our thoughts because our thoughts are so important. We want to put those special thoughts in a frame, right? Everyone, show me how we do the frame. A sentence starts with an uppercase and ends with a stop sign. Good. And then we know that there's two parts to every sentence. A bare bone sentence has to have a subject and a predicate. And we've been talking about the subject so far. Let's review that too. Do it with me. A subject names the person, place, thing, animal, or an idea that the whole sentence is focused in on. That's right. So today we're going to talk about how there's two different kinds of subjects, a common subject and a proper subject, or sometimes we call these common nouns and proper nouns. So look at our list right here. We have all of these common nouns. Common nouns are things that are not specific. So if I say a boy, there's tons of boys, right? It's just a common subject. We don't put an uppercase, we don't capitalize it, we're just talking about any boy. But if I'm talking about a specific boy, that's considered proper. It's naming the subject. So, like you, what's your name? Mike. If I'm talking about Mike, that would be a proper noun. So see, this category here is common nouns, and these ones over here are proper nouns. I'm going to make it a little bigger. Okay, so proper nouns have to have an uppercase. Mike, John, Joa, Victor, Hunter, right? All of these could be a boy, which is the common noun, or subject, or it could be proper, an uppercase. Let's do one more. A state. Do you guys know your states? Okay, so there's 50 states, right? A state is just common. A proper noun would be an example of the state, naming the state, like Florida, Maine. Okay. Ah. So remember, proper nouns always start with what? Uppercase letters, because we're naming things. They're special and they're important. So your job today is going to be on your whiteboard to list out all the schools you can think of and put a capital letter. Then do restaurants and toys. And then we have some different slides for you to look through. And if you look at this picture, you could probably come up with a common subject in the picture and a proper subject. For example, common subject, I see a girl. Proper subject, maybe let's name her Lily with a capital L. So you can kind of make it up. I also see leaves. So that's a common subject, a leaf, a rake, a tree. So when we do that, you can kind of pick what you want from the pictures. Good luck working on common and proper subjects. I should mention, we haven't talked about predicates yet. That's on here. If you want to take this to the next level, teachers, you can have your class pick one of the subjects and then put it in a sentence. So if I said Lily, and what is she doing? The verb, the action is raking. I could write on my whiteboard, Lily is raking. And then I could draw my sentence frame over it and underline my subject. That's how we mark subjects. We underline them. Those are some options of how to practice.